Yeah, welcome guys. And today we will learn how to create levels, how to set our levels in Revit. So what we'll be doing today is to set levels in Revit. So go to new, browse, go to default setting. Okay. So now our workstation is set. So we want to create a level for the floor plans in Revit. So to do that, first I told you we need to set our unit. So type the UN, letter U and N. Then we change area to square meters, distance to millimeters, symbol, and millimeters, symbol. Okay. Then slope, I will leave it in degrees. Okay. So that's all. Now our project unit is set. So set the scale from here. You can set the scale. Number 1 is to 100. So now perfect. So then I'll save my work project. Save desktop. So bedroom bungalow. So now after I finish saving my plan, now the next thing to do is to set the levels. So choose any elevation from here. I'll choose south elevation. As you can see, in this project we have two levels, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is always the ground level, always at 0. So this is okay, but I will change the name. So by hovering over the name and double clicking, now change from level 1 to ground surface. Do you like to rename corresponding views? Yes. Once you click yes, the corresponding view name will change here. Maybe I should give it a number. This will be 0. Ground floor. Yes. Then the next level, assuming I'm creating DPC, I will go to level 2, and here will be my DPC. Number 1 DPC. Yes. So now I need to set the distance from the ground level to the DPC base. So I want it to be 600 millimeters by 60 centimeters. Now perfect. So now I have two levels now. Now to create the third level, go to a level here from the architecture toolbar. You see level, current level, then select pick line. I pick a line. Once you click pick line, you make sure that this make plan view is checked. Once it's checked, any level you create will appear on the plan. So I set my offset distance. Offset distance now from the DPC to the sea level. So 1000 millimeters. Okay, now that's it. So now, once I click here, see the level 3 has come up. I mean, from this ground floor to level 3 is 1600 millimeter, meaning from the DPC to this level is the sea level. So I click the escape button, then I edit. Oh, escape, sorry. Then I go to modify. Then I can double click on the name. See, it should be 2. 2 C. Yes. So now we have the C level. The next one is the lintel. So we'll still go back. Plan view is checked. And this should be 1250. 1250 from the sea level. We are setting it to 1250. So what to modify? That will be lintel. This is the lintel level. Yes. So we have our lintel level. We'll come back to the level again. Pick a line. The next level should be our parapet. So to 750 millimeters. So add this, modify. So here will be 4. Parapet width. Parapet. And parapet is set. Then we go to the architecture, back to the level. Then draw by picking line. Then we set for our roof. Our roof base from the parapet to our roof base should be 550 centimeter. And now I want to modify for 5 roof. Yes. So now you can see we have all our levels now set from the ground level, ground surface, DPC, C, lintel, parapet, and roof. So now this look so close. So we need to edit this to look cool. So you can see. So to do that, we click on the line, then come to this place here, add able. Click on it, then you can adjust this from the able you created. So you select the level and look for add able. It's that symbol there and click on it and you can adjust the able. Come down here, you add able. So now it's cool like this. So we have the ground surface, we have the DPC level, the sea level, the lintel, the parapet, and the roof. So that is how we create our level in Revit. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. So the next step we'll do in the next video now is to develop a 3D model. So I will develop our earth surface now for this bedroom, 2 bedroom bungalow, the earth surface for the 2 bedroom bungalow. So please get the next video and watch. Thank you.